In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically play audio in Google Slides. It's a simple process that can really enhance your presentations, whether you're adding background music, sound effects, or even narration to take your slides to the next level. Let's start by inserting your audio. First, you need to go to the Insert menu in Google Slides. From there, select Audio. This will open up a window where you can choose your desired audio file from your Google Drive. Remember, your audio file needs to be stored in Google Drive for this to work, so make sure your audio is uploaded there before you begin this process. Once you've selected your audio, Google Slides will place a speaker icon on your slide. It might not seem like much, but this little icon is your gateway to audio automation. Once your audio is inserted, click on the speaker icon on your slide. This will activate a menu with several options. Look for Format options. A sidebar will appear on the right-hand side of your screen showing various controls. Navigate to the Audio Playback section. Here's the magic moment. You'll find an option labeled Start Playing. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select that automatically. This setting ensures that your audio begins to play as soon as the slide is displayed during a presentation. If you're looking to create a seamless listening experience, you might want the audio to continue playing across multiple slides. Google Slides allows you to do this effortlessly. While still in the format options, you'll have the choice to let the audio keep playing until you decide to stop it manually or until it naturally ends, even if you navigate to the next slide. Another helpful tip is about aesthetics. You can hide the speaker icon for a cleaner look. This is particularly useful if you want your presentation to be visually streamlined without unnecessary distractions. Now it's time to test it out. All you need to do is hit present to start your slideshow. As your slide appears, your audio should begin playing automatically. It's a neat effect that can make your presentation much more engaging and professional. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've set up your Google Slides presentation to play audio automatically. This can really enhance your show, providing that perfect touch of background music or narration that captures your audience's attention. So the next time you're preparing a presentation, remember these steps to create a more dynamic and polished delivery. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.